Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to refresh Microsoft Teams. If you've been experiencing glitches, delays in messages appearing, or notifications not working properly, a quick refresh can often resolve these issues and get everything running smoothly again. First, let's start by locating the Microsoft Teams icon on your taskbar. The taskbar is typically at the bottom of your screen, and you should see the Teams icon among your other pinned applications. Once you've found it, right-click on the icon. This will bring up a context menu with several options for managing the application. From the menu that appears, you'll want to click on Quit Teams. This action completely closes the Microsoft Teams application, shutting down all background processes. It's different from simply closing the window, as it ensures the app is fully stopped rather than just minimizing or running in the background. This step is crucial because it allows Teams to clear any temporary data or cached information that might be causing issues. Now that you've successfully closed Microsoft Teams, it's time to reopen it. To do this, navigate to your Windows search bar, which is typically located at the bottom left of your screen next to the Start button. Click on the search bar and type Microsoft Teams. As you type, you should see the application appear in the search results. Once you see Microsoft Teams in the results, go ahead and click on it to launch the application. The app will now start fresh, loading all your channels, chats, and settings from scratch. This process may take a few moments as Teams reconnects to the servers and syncs all your data, so be patient while it loads everything up. And there you have it, you've successfully refreshed your Microsoft Teams. This simple restart clears out any temporary glitches and gives you a fresh start with the application. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.